Number 5 wants us to find the graph of 4 cosecant of 3x. The period is going to be 2 pi over 3. I get the 3 from here. And this is not going to be flipped because the 4 is positive. There's no negative sign there. To graph this on the calculator, y1 is going to be equal to 4 divided by sine of 3x. And I'm doing that because sine, or I should say cosecant, is the reciprocal of sine. And if I graph this from 0 to 2 pi, and let's make the y min and y max 6 and negative 6. And you'll see that our graph looks like this. And we have vertical asymptotes here. So that is our graph. If you want to see something kind of interesting, on y2, and you don't have to do this, but on y2 if you type in 4 sine of 3x, and this will graph the corresponding sine function with the cosecant function, then you'll kind of see how these graphs match up, where it's like so the tops and bottoms of the sine function hit the tops and bottoms of the cosecant function. Every place that the sine function crosses the axis, that's actually where the vertical asymptotes of the cosecant are. So they are very much related.